I'm Steve Messinio, President and CEO of the Marlborough Regional Chamber of Commerce, here with another member spotlight video. And today I want to welcome our members of Thrive Payments, and they are represented by Rick Follett and Michelle Sheenard. And they're here today to tell us a little bit about Thrive Payments and what they can offer our chamber community and the businesses they serve. So guys, welcome. I appreciate you coming on today. And I'd like to start by just giving you some time to share a little bit about Thrive Payments, what makes it unique in the credit card processing space, and how do you guys stand out against other payment processors when you're serving your clients?
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks, Steve. So we are locally based. We're in Wakefield, Massachusetts. It's a second and third family-run generation company. The merchant services that we offer are, we have the latest technologies and products that we can serve just about any business, from the small mobile functionality all the way up to a large multi-location business with web stores, everything in between. I think one of the things that really separates us is the level of servicing and our transparency with pricing. So our goal really is to utilize the products we have to help enhance business owners and their day-to-day operations, but at the same time give them just a little bit extra level of service and offer them that competitive pricing.
Yeah, and to kind of back on what Michelle said, some of our big initiatives for this year has really been diving into the B2B space, so more of e-commerce transactions, some of those more card not present transactions. We've really ramped up our technology on that side, as well as in the healthcare vertical. We have a very strong partnership with a leader in the healthcare payment processing world, where now we can integrate or interface with 99% of the practice management systems, or EMRs, EHRs, in the marketplace. So really cool things happening.
Wow, that's awesome. So outside of healthcare, and obviously you mentioned B2B, in that B2B space, what are the types of businesses you guys are looking to work with and serve? What types of industries and companies are you looking to bring on as clients?
The merchants we have now range, again, anywhere from a small mom and pop local business to multi-location retail locations, restaurants, again, in the healthcare industry, daycares, pretty much anybody that takes credit card payments. We have a solution for them. And again, to repeat, our goal is to provide them a better product, right? So that's going to put them in a better position and make day-to-day functionality a little bit better for them.
Yeah, Steve. Any business that accepts credit cards is the target market that we're going for. So, like Michelle said, from small to very large, when you're talking about a wholesale distributor or a manufacturer, down to, an ice cream truck that's parked in a parking lot.
Okay, cool. So you mentioned your product, giving them a better product. And obviously you talk about customer services. That's a big piece of what you do. But what other ways is your product better than, say, other credit card processing companies and what they offer?
Go ahead. No, go ahead.
I would say we take a consultative approach to every merchant that we speak with. So really understand and dig deep a little bit to find what their pain points are in their day-to-day operations, whether it's just simply as taking the payment, whether it's reporting on the back end and helping them reconcile at the end of the day. The technology that exists in our products makes life easier a lot of times. So not everyone knows that that's available or that's out there for them. So we try to take the approach where we're teaching them and giving them tools to make their day-to-day operations more efficient.
I'll give a great example, Steve. In the healthcare industry, for example, we've all gone to the doctor and we receive paper statements, after insurance does their thing, and there's that little piece of the bill that we still have to pay, right? Mm-hmm. A lot of practices are still sending out paper statements, and that costs money to do so. So enabling them things with text to pay options or QR codes has really helped lower those costs and made the billing department's life a lot easier.
Awesome. Awesome. Well, one more question for you. You obviously have been a part of the chamber for a couple of months now, and we certainly appreciate that. If you think about the ideal referral partners within the chamber members that would be ideal for making connections with and maybe developing some back and forth relationship, what are the type of businesses you're looking for those in terms of those type of partnerships?
I mean, anything that we can reciprocate back with. So, a lot of our current partnerships are actually community banks, and so we, in our discovery, like I said, we kind of do a deeper dive when we're doing that initial discovery. If we find a lending need, or if we find a deposit need or anything like that, we'll send them back to the bank. So that's been our preferred partner in the past, but we're open to others as well. So lawyers and accountants and things like that are going to put us in touch with business owners looking for efficiencies and to save money.
Yeah, a lot of companies out there look at partnerships as kind of one-way streets, right? Like, what can you do for me? And that's all that I care about, right? We take a different approach at Thrive, where when we have our partners, we want it to be more of a two-way street. You're sending us referrals, and then on the flip side, we're looking for opportunities to send people back to your business.
Awesome. Awesome. Well, I want to thank both of you for coming on today. What's the best way to connect with you if somebody would like to access your services and learn a little bit more about Thrive Payments?
They can visit thrivepay.com, or I'm sorry, .us, excuse me. And you can email us directly at sales@thrivepay.us, and that comes directly into our inboxes.
Awesome. Well, thank you guys so much for being on today's show. If you are a member of the Marlborough Regional Chamber, take advantage and learn a little bit more about Thrive Payments for your business. They're an excellent organization, and they also provide some nice support to our members specifically because they've joined the chamber. So take a look. If you have any questions, you want some introductions by me personally, reach out. I'm happy to make an introduction to both Rick and Michelle when you need it. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next Member Spotlight.